This is Jamie with BarI. In this video, we're going to show you how you can check that we are extracting your sales information in the right manner by first reviewing what point of sale data is coming from your point of sale report, and then looking what recipe settings are being used to extract that data and turn it into your detailed reports. Quick thank you to the client who requested this. You know who you are, but let's jump in here. So from the main dashboard, go ahead and click Reports. We need to be in the browser version of the software. Up at the top, ensure you're on the Audit section of the three, and then click on POS Reports. Here you can see the most recent report, and click Review. You'll get a preview of which buttons, as in the button descriptions, the number of times they press the dollars. This should exactly match what information is being extracted from your point of sale system. In this case, this is focus, but the data will be similar in all cases where it's showing the button description, the number of times it was sold, and the dollars that were taken. When you've confirmed that we're using the right data, you can go ahead and click back, click cancel here, and then select the action reports, and then go ahead and select recipes. And so here you'll see a list of all the recipes that are being used. Notice again, we have the same information showing the button presses, how many times were pressed. This time we're showing how many dollars are taken on average per button press rather than total numbers, because that's helpful to determine that we're using the right quantity. In the simple case here, we've got a bottle of beer, so it's just one. For most of your liquor drinks, it'll be 1.5 in most cases. And then for more complicated drinks, you'll see the individual recipes broken out. And also another useful feature is you can check what the liquor cost is you're achieving based on those results, based on the up-to-date cost, what you're buying a product for, and therefore the average cost of what you're selling it for. And then if you don't like to sift through all of them, you can use the search function to look by name. So for instance, if I do well vodka, I can filter and just select all the drinks that include Royal Vodka, or if there's a particular button like Mind Eraser, you can look that up to check what the recipe on any particular drink is. One final suggestion is, on some cases, if we don't know what the exact recipe is, we'll use these unknown products. It's always good to check these, and these can be places where ideally we can make small updates to the point of sale, so that we can correctly account not just for the quantity of alcohol which is being served, but line it up accurately to the exact product, so we can tidy up results and make them as accurate and granular as possible with as little gray area. As always, thanks for watching, and if you have any other suggestions for videos you'd like to see, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much.